say leapfrog.
Leapfrog.
Blocks.
Block.
Okay, open it.
Mine is not open. Mommy, the door.
Yeah, take the pieces out.
A piece out. Piece out.
Take them out.
Get out. Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, joy. Yeah, right, Mommy.
Wow. That's a lot.
I'm gonna open.
Yeah, we gotta open them. Is that all?
Yeah.
What's this, Maya?
Mommy. What's that?
Oh, you can make a butterfly?
Huh?
Look, you can make a butterfly out of them.
Ooh.
Okay, let's open them. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's all the blocks.
Oh, it's
There's 81 blocks.
a block.
81 total pieces.
Mommy.
Okay. So there's these cards where you can make stuff. The butterfly, helicopter, robot, dinosaur, penguin, and a deer. And then rose, tree, ABC. So she wants to do the robot.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So we're gonna use this
Yeah.
as the base.
That base.
Oh, we gotta get our card so we can look at it. Okay. So first we need these two right here for his feet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so find them pieces.
Okay.
Here, I found one.
You made one
Yeah, now find the other one. I'm gonna put it right here.
here.
Nope, not that one.
Here.
Nope, not that one.
Here.
Oh wait, that's not even a piece.
Here.
Hold on. This one right here.
That one here.
Yep. That's 1 foot. Okay, where's the other foot?
There.
Nope. Close. This one right here.
That one right here.
Yep. Put it right here.
Here.
Yeah, put it right here. What next?
Blue.
This right here. Right?
Oh, where?
So find 2 of these.
Do it. No.
This one?
No.
Yes. Right here. Now put it right here.
Here?
Yep. Good job. Now fun. Yep, that one. Put it right here.
Huh?
Yep. Okay, what next? Look.
Yeah.
These
And
two
by
pieces
you.
right here.
You put it right here.
Yep, these.
I want by yellow.
Yellow? That's
Yeah.
yellow? Good job.
I buy yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
And put it here.
No. We gotta find the blue piece. This one right here.
Oh.
And put it right here. Put it this way.
So I got
Yeah,
one.
move it over like this.
Upper.
Right here. Yep. Good job. Now, where's the other one? This one right here.
Okay. Thank you.
Now put it right here. Right here.
And
So it's
no.
gonna look like this. So I gotta move this one over so it'll fit, right? Right, Jayla?
Right.
Right. Okay. Now we need these two pieces. Look, Jayla.
Let's do pictures.
Yeah, them two pieces.
Let's do pictures. Thank you.
Yep,
Thank
You're
you.
right here.
Right here.
right here. Move it over. Right here. There you go. Now find another one.
Okay. Thank
Now
you.
put it on top. Good job. Okay, this is next, Jayla. Look,
Bye-bye.
look, find that one.
Red.
Red?
Red. Okay, red. It's red.
So we need that one and that one.
Oh,
This one, right here. Put it right here.
no.
Yes.
No, not that one. Yeah, that
Yeah,
one.
good job. We need a longer one.
Bye.
This one right here. Put it right
Oh,
here. Okay, good job. Now we need this piece right here.
no B.
This piece.
It's B. Bye.
Right here.
No
Right here,
B.
Jayla.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Put it right here. Right here in the middle.
Here.
Yep, right here.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we need this piece. Look, Jayla.
Please.
Let's find it. This one. Look, he has eyeballs.
Eyeball. Mommy, I want my eyeball.
Yay, put it up there. Good
Here.
job. Let's turn his eyeballs this way because his feet is this way. Okay?
Okay.
So take it off.
The eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now put it the other way. This way. Good job. Better? Okay. Now we need to finish the arms. Good job. Do it again. It's a robot.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Okay,
Mommy.
let's finish the arms.
Mommy.
We gotta finish his arms.
Okay.
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 Now I need one of these.
Bye. Oh. He.
Put it under here. Like this. Look. See?
Okay.
And then we need another one.
I didn't know it.
Yep. Push it in.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, and then we need one for each side. Oh wait, we put one on top. This one goes on top, okay? Leave that one down there. Leave that one down here. Okay, you want them both on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Now we need this one.
Mommy.
Put it right here.
Mommy.
What?
I'll build a house.
You want to build a house?
Yeah.
Okay, we can build a house after, okay?
Okay.
Put it right here. Good job. This one goes right here. You want this one?
Yeah.
You want red or orange?
That or
Which one? Pick one.
that one. Oh.
You gotta pick one.
Red.
Just put right here. Okay, put it right here. Good job, your robot's done. Your robot is done.
Mommy, that's the beer.
Show them your robot, Jayla.
Huh?
That's what she built. Let me see your robot.
Okay.
So this is what she built with her blocks. With my help, of course. You talking to your robot?
Yeah.
A dinosaur?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that a dinosaur? You're silly. And then you can build a penguin and a deer. You're silly. I like your robot.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's you.
Yeah, it's cute.
Hey, build a paper.
This is for ages 2 plus, and she's 3, and her sister is almost 2. Look, Jayla, look at his robot.
Oh.
His is big.
Mommy, I want to be a robot.
You want to build a big one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Cake. Gummy. Guy. Thank you, Rodney.
Bye.
Bye.
Blow him kissy.